The CRV, you know what?
This is what happens when you blow your engine, kids.
I'm about to take it first in. This Honda CRV is fast as fuck.
No, you can't go fast on these. These are residential neighborhoods, bro.
Fuck that shit. I smoke cane. I smoke crack like Lil Kane, bitch.
What the fuck is Lil Kane? No, stop. He'll seriously come for me.
Oh, we crazy as fuck though. Hey, get my Macadelic CD on the floor. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah, if you notice, I'm a Macadelic fan. Mac Miller, you know what the fuck it is. You know, Mac Miller's fucking shit. So here we go again.
Wait, no, remember there's a curve right here, not here. Wait, no. Oh, you remember that Jeff Gordon car? Oh, you're crazy. I'm gonna kill you.
Have I ever taken down that curve?
Wait, let me see if your CRV's open. Let's check on your engine right quick. Here, pop your hood.
Okay, I'll show you what's in my hood.
What is that? Horsehair?
Oh, man. My fucking hood, this is what's under it. Nothing, basically, you know.
You want to know what hasn't blowed your engine? Because you got VTEC in here stock. Because it came stock. That's the only reason why your engine hasn't blown.
Here, get it up.
I'm basically like a mechanic. I can tell you when your engine's gonna break. Damn it, the fucking shit, fuck. It'll blow in about 2,000 more miles. What you need is your Valvoline pump. You need some brakes. That's not a bad motor. I guess.
This is my motor. Here, show my motor. Watch this. I'll show you.
Let me show you how it goes. I can feel the hot air from it. I gotta go back home.
That's my Honda CRV, and you can watch my other videos I'm gonna put on YouTube, you know, going 9 miles per hour and this shit. And 9 miles per hour in a Honda CRV is almost impossible, but it works. I tell you, this shit's fast as fuck.
2.0.
So yeah, that's my Honda CRV. I gotta, yeah. So next time you check on my videos on YouTube.com, you see me.